In the last week of this time, Introductory Engineering and Design (PRD) filled with preparation to make robotics applicable. College student participant Introduction to Engineering and Design (PRD), Cluster 1 Faculty of Mathematics and Natural Science or FIPA, and School of Electrical Engineering and Informatics (STE) challenged to conduct robotics engineering design unique, creative, innovative, and appropriate to help provide alternative solutions to the problem of society, namely the robot to support Smart City program in Bandung. Smart City is development and management of the city with the use of information and communication technology (ICT) to sensing, understanding, and controlling the various resources available in the city with a more effective and efficient to maximize service to its citizens and to support sustainable development. In this lab, each group was divided into two subs. Each group will create a robot that supports Bandung applicative smart city. In the first week of preparation for this race filled with planning ideas and design. Group 6, Grade 9, School of Electrical Engineering and Informatics has plans to create a transporter robot that can move. Another group made a robot-related Bandung Smart City applicative that makes the fire factor robot called extinguish the fire with a remote control. The following is a video about this basic shape of the robot appeared to be contrast from our group. It was the first day of preparation documentation race with a dam, a real smart city of Bandung. Come and support us to be the winner in the race of robotic appeal to realize the smart city of Bandung. Thank you for watching.